Let's make a citrus mocktail that is loaded with immune-boosting ingredients that are packed with vitamin C. It's going to help you through those winter months. That's the orange, the lime, a little bit of mint though that's going to give it flavour, some strawberries for sweetness because we've got no sugar at all, and then we've got some seltzer water. Now cocktails are loaded with sugar normally. They put syrup in or sweeteners, and then there's going to be the alcohol too, so you've got to give this a try. It's fresh, it tastes wonderful, and you can make it any time of day. So I'm going to pop in the orange, throw in some strawberries. We'll look at about 6 to 8 of those, depending the size. And we'll get some lime. And this is going to give a little bit of sharpness. But I promise you, the one thing that happens is when you add sugar, you think fruit needs it. It really doesn't. You've got to try it without and really realize there's so much sweetness in things like orange and strawberries that you just don't need that extra sugar. So I'm going to pop this in here and give it a blend. Now I just want a couple of sprigs of mint. Just a couple. They're going to give a little bit of a flavour to that. Now, the reason I didn't want to add my salsa before is I didn't want to knock all that air out and those bubbles, so I'll pop it in here. And then we're ready to serve up a whole lot of goodness and freshness. And you're not going to miss the sugar. Oh, I love it. That's great.